Today, class, we are going to learn about operators in Python. So in Python, we know we can do var, actually we don't even need to say var, we can just say x is equal to 5, okay? And we can also say y is equal to 5.5. And now I'm going to introduce a new concept. Something we've done since grade school is operators and math. So if I say z, let's say z is equal to 3 plus 2. Okay. Now let's print z, and let's print x. Actually, so let's print x. Then we will print y and z to see if our operators work like they do normally in math. So z should be equal to 5 as well. So if I print out this statement, I get 5, 5.5, and 5. So normal math does work. Well, let's take this even further. What if I wanted to use subtraction? Well, this should give us a 1. Yep. Subtraction works like it always has. Let's do multiplication. We use a times or the star symbol or asterisk for multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6, and multiplication works like it always has. Let's see if division works. Okay, and with division we do a slash, and let's run this. Oh, division does work because 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Well, say I don't want a 0.5, I just want the closest whole number. We can actually do a double slash for that. And that double slash is going to give us 1 because 3 divided by 2 gives us 1. And with a remainder of 1, so we get that. Let's see if I did something like 8. So 8 divided by 2 should be 4, right? Well, let's see 8 divided by 9.2. Or I'm sorry, 9.2 divided by 2 is still 4. And that is because this gives us the closest whole number. So 9.2 and half is 4.6, but we want the closest whole number, so we get a 4. And then the last operator I want to talk about is called the mod operator. So what the mod operator does is it gives us the remainder. So if I have an 8 mod, which is the % 3, the remainder of 8 divided by 3 is 2, right? So we get 2. What if I said 9 divided by 3? Well, 9 divided by 3 goes in evenly with no remainder, so we get a 0. So that is what the mod symbol does, is it gives us the remainder from division. So say I did 20 divided by, I'm sorry, 20 mod 7. Well, 20 can go into 7 2 times, which is 14, which gives us a remainder of 6, and that's our output. So that's working just fine as well. And then the last thing I want to touch on is we can do the exponential. So I can say 5, and how we do that is we do a double star. 5 raised to the power of 2, what is that? We all know 5 squared is 25. Let's see 5 cubed. 5 cubed should be 225. Or I'm sorry, 125. My math is a little off there. So 5 cubed is 125. That works. The last thing that I wanted to show you guys is variables don't only have to be equal to something times something, because I could have just typed in 125, right? But what if I wanted to say x or z is equal to x raised to the power of 3? That still gives me the same output. Just to show you that it works, it should be, this semicolon is just, that doesn't actually need to be there. And we get 625 because 5 raised to the power of 4 is 625. Hope this helps and helps you better understand operators.